Hello everyone, Kayla Mountainberger here, bringing you this just hit the market, hot off the press listing, listed for $169,999, located at 1772 Sarah Street. Wanted to give you, my Facebook friends, a sneak peek before my open house, so come on in, take a look. You walk right into brand new hardwood floors, completely remodeled first floor, brand new roof home featuring 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, partially finished basement, ready for your final touches. This home has so much charm. It's just adorable. Eat-in kitchen, built in '62. This home features 2,100 total finished square footage. Like I mentioned, new roof, some new plumbing. The entire main floor has been totally redone, and absolutely obsessed with the decor. They did such a good job. This home is not gonna last long, friends. Definitely be sure to come by. Look how cute this is. Oh, love it. Love it, love it. Be sure to swing by, friends, and take a peek either tonight during the open house on Thursday from 5 to 6, or come and call me or your favorite realtor and let's get you in before this sucker's gone. Have to go downstairs and take a peek. I just love the shiplap that they've done. It's so tastefully done. It's not overbearing, but it's just so cute. Family room. Brand new doors and windows down here. You could easily make another bedroom down here if you needed. Laundry is on the lower level. You do sit on a 1/4 acre lot here. New electrical work's been done. Tons of storage. Friends, it's so cute. Video doesn't even do it justice. You have to come and see it in person. 1772 Sarah Street, Dubuque, Iowa. Listing price $169,999. Hope to see you soon.